Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to deposit money to a bank account to Binance. So the first step we need to do is pick in this button in the left corner in the superior part of the page where it said buy crypto. So we pick in this button of buy crypto, and now we can here spend the money of our bank account. For example, we can for example here select transition method. So here we can select a card, our card, debit or credit card, and we pick here in confirm. And you need to add your card, and here the only thing you need to do is put the money you can deposit. You can buy in crypto, for example, $10,000. So you here you see the Bitcoin you can buy with this money. For example, $1,000. So this is the process. It's an easy process to do. Remember, you need to here select the card option and add your card, a credit card or a debit card. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.